Gaeilge ranga, hey? Hi everyone, Mr. Dunk here. Now today, in our Irish, we're going to have a little bit more of a look at our new topic, which is Éadaí, clothes. So there's a little video for you to watch first and to have a go at doing. And there's also a word search on Éadaí Scholar, school clothes. I want you to search for those as well. Okay, let's get started though with this. Tráth na gCeist Éadaí. Clothes quiz. I'll explain the first couple, what you need to do, and then I'll just get into it, okay? Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. What piece of clothing is this? So is it gúna, léna, hata, no brísta? Okay. Gúna, léna, hata, no brísta. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Skirta, ganzi, richoga, no gúna. Mohu. Pick an brísta. Pick the brísta. Pick the brísta. Pick an brísta. So you have to pick which one you think brísta is. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Scarf, broga, Chris, no skirta. Scarf, broga, Chris, no skirta. Mohu. Pick an ganzi. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Buatashi, léna, cóta, no scarf. Mohu. Pick an carvat. Carvat. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Stocky, broga, brísta, no fovrista. Stocky, broga, brísta, no fovrista. Pick an tíléna. Tíléna. Mohu. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Gúna, pichami, buatashi, no scarf. Gúna, pichami, buatashi, no scarf. Pick na pichami. Pichami. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Broga raha, carvat, stocky, no hata. Broga raha, carvat, stocky, no hata. Stocky. Pick an hata. Hata. Cain Píosa Éadaí seo. Carvat, pichami, Chris no brísta. Mohu. Regardless, congratulations. I hope you got them all correct. If you didn't, feel free to have another go. See you soon, first class. Bye.